Welcome back to Ayaz Tech. My name is Ayaz Zafar. In this video, you will learn how to add tags to your YouTube video or how to edit tags in your existing YouTube video. So before we begin, if you did not subscribe to my channel, then please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon so that you don't miss any notifications from my videos. So let's begin. So so first of all, you have to upload a video to add tags. So for that, click on this plus button and click on the upload video. Now you have to add your video. So for example, this is my video. I will drag and drop. So it is being uploaded, as you can see the progress below. Here you will add the title, description, etc. And to add tags, scroll down below and here you will find these options for, so maybe by default it will be hidden for you. If you scroll down, then you might see that there is no option for the tags, but there would be an option for showing more options. So if you click on the show more button, then it will open more options for you. So if you scroll down below, you will find this option tags. Okay, so here you have to add tags. Tags are very important for your video because uh, whenever you add proper tags for your YouTube video, then you will be able to make your video more visible in YouTube search and suggestions. So don't forget to add tags. And so here, if you want to add tag, just type something. For example, suppose this video is about CSS toggle button. So you can type something CSS toggle button or whatever is related to your videos. Just type that and type comma. Then this will add tag like this. And also how to add toggle button. So in this way, you will keep adding some tags, and after you are done, then you should click on the next button. After upload is completed, you should click on the next button and save it. So this is how you can add tags. So also, if you want to add tags to an existing uh, video, then close it, go to your channel studio. For that, click on your YouTube channel icon and click on the. So one second. So let me go back to the main YouTube area so that I could show you. So for example, you are here, you are on YouTube website. Click on this icon and here you will find the YouTube Studio button. Click there. And here you will find the content link. Click on that. Here you will see uh, all of the options, all of the videos that you have available. So if you want to change the tag for any specific video, then click on the pencil icon and it will open the video. So for example, this video is about hosting a static website on S3 bucket. So if you scroll down, you will find all of the relevant tags that I have added here. So if you want to add more tags, just type something, for example, AWS tutorial. So that tag is already added. So latest tutorial or anything that is relevant, just added like this. So now you can see there is error because you can add maximum 500 characters. So I already have maximum number of tags, that is why it is not allowing me. So you can obviously delete some tags and add more tags if you want. So like this, you can remove some tags that you think are not good, you can delete them and you can keep adding more tags. So like this you can keep adding. And at the end, an important trick that are useful information that might be helpful for you is that here you can see some extra things that might not be available to you, or this icon. You can see there is an icon actually. this icon and these extra options and these recommendations are coming from an extension. I have installed an extension from the vidIQ. With the help of vidIQ, it is giving me a lot of useful option that will help me to uh, pick only those tags which are famous in the search, and by using those, and it will also give you the information that which tags are the best to use for your video, so that you could use such tags that has the less competition but more search volume. So if you also want to use this extension or this software vidIQ, I have added the link in my video description. You can open from there. So that's all I wanted to show you in this video. I hope you liked my video. Please don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon, and like, share and comment on my video if you have any questions. So thank you for watching. Hope to see you next time.